Hello, friends. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, whatever time it is for you. Welcome to another video of Battery English for Your Life. So, your friend JJ here. To the what is that? Okay, hold on. Okay, it says transition. Okay, I'm sorry, my bad. This is a typo. I didn't mean it. So, well, transition. Today, I want to talk to you about the transition of T and D. What is transition? A change, you know? So T and D changed to R. Yeah, native teachers tell you, not me. Many teachers tell you that T and D sound like D, sound like the same. Oh, however, I'm aiming this video, for my people who speak Spanish. Okay, if you are from an English-speaking country also, well, just keep in mind it changes like R, that's it, okay? Anyway, so this is in Spanish, so don't worry about it. So T and D become R, when they are between two vowels, okay? For example, water, computer, article, attitude, automatic, education or education, potato, and elevator. British English people say water, computer, article, attitude, automatic, education, potato, elevator. In this case, actually, British English, they say lift. They don't say elevator. So remember, we are learning American English, all right? So check this out. T, this case, is between A and E, so it becomes R, water, computer, article. Why in this case, I didn't say article? Can I say article? Yes, no problem. People understand? Yes. But two consonants together, eliminate one, just keep one, and anyway, you got R sound here. Attitude, double T, yes, not a problem. Automatic, okay. Education, in this case, you can say education, potato, and elevator, okay. Now, this applies not only when you have, when T and D are between two vowels inside of a word, but also when you are connecting two words. For example, how do you read this sentence? I need it done by tomorrow. Listen up. I need it done by tomorrow. I need it. This letter D here is between I and E, so I need it. And we don't say I need it done by tomorrow. I need it done by tomorrow. In this case, you have T, you have D, and T, bye-bye. So you say I need it done by tomorrow. Got it? All right, let's keep going. I don't want that. I don't want that. You can say that, yes, but in real life, we say, yeah, you know what? I don't want that. Never mind. Thank you. Okay. So, do you want me to make another video for you? Okay. Consider it done. Consider it done. This phrase right here. Consider it done. Okay. We don't say consider it done. No, consider it done. The next one. What are you doing? Yeah, no problem. What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay. What are you doing? Okay. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Yeah, a little too British. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. A little tricky here. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Got it? So this is it, friends. I hope you got it right. I hope you got it right, but I said, I hope you got it right. Okay, so remember, visit my website, realenglish.com. If you have more questions, if you didn't get it, if you didn't get it, if you didn't get it, I said, go back to the start of the video, to the beginning of the video, watch again. See you next time, friends. Bye-bye.